Dear students, in this session we shall work one problem under arithmetic progression. If lth, mth and nth terms of an AP are x, y and z respectively, then show that x into m minus n plus y into n minus l plus z into l minus m equals 0. Solution. Let a be the first term and d be the common difference. It is given that the lth term equals x, which means TL equals x. Also, the mth term is going to be y, which means Tm equals y. Also, the nth term equals z, that implies Tn equals z. We know that the general formula for the nth term of an AP is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. But for the lth term, the formula then gets changed to a plus l minus 1 into d. Since it is given that the lth term equals x, it means a plus l minus 1 into d equals x. We will have it as equation number 1. Also, since Tm equals y, by making use of the general term formula, we now have a plus m minus 1 into d to be equal to y. We will have it as equation number 2. Also, since Tn equals z, by making use of the general term formula, we have that a plus n minus 1 into d to be equal to z. We will number it as equation number 3. Now, we need to show that x into m minus n plus y into n minus l plus z into l minus m equals 0. So, consider x into m minus n, that is a plus l minus 1 into d into m minus n, right? Similarly, y into n minus l becomes a plus m minus 1 into d into n minus l plus z into l minus m implies a plus n minus 1 into d, whole thing has to be multiplied with l minus m. In the step that I mentioned just now, focus the attention which consists of the factors a alone. So, you will be having a into m minus n plus a into n minus l plus a into l minus m. So, in this remove a to be the common factor, that gives a into m minus n plus n minus l plus l minus m. Next, focus your attention on the terms containing d. Now, taking the common factor d from all these terms, we are now left out with d into m minus n into l minus 1 plus n minus l into m minus 1 plus l minus m into n minus 1. In our next step, we have a into 0. How did we get this 0? Because m minus n plus n minus l plus l minus m, all these terms gets cancelled off and will be left out only with 0. That is why we are having it as a into 0 plus d into, now multiplying l into m, we have lm, l into minus n, we have minus ln, also minus 1 into m, we have minus m, and minus 1 into minus n will become plus n. The same way, if you are simplifying the remaining two terms, will be left out with n into m minus l into m minus n plus l plus ln minus mn minus l plus m. I hope you are clear, students. Therefore, our next step will be a into 0 plus d into lm minus ln minus m plus n plus mn minus lm minus n plus l plus ln minus mn minus l plus m. Now, all these terms gets cancelled off. So, we will be left out with d into 0. Therefore, our final step will be a into 0 plus d into 0, which will be equal to 0. Hence, we have proved the result. Thank you, students.